Buhansu Bumo Gusii.
Mano mwancho murigere begatasene kya Ndizi TV na bwo bwansu bwo Gusii no kwegena kwa nemna litkore ondigendrete ko bali toerkima na mano gendrete kwego kya kubwati mirobere yonsi megatasene kya Ndizi TV ekerorire litkore ya Jumanne tariki 22 na ibere chomotyenyi o gatano na gatatu umwaka no bwechi bibere na 24 na manga gendrete gokorekana mense ya Kenya ekeroria swari litkore ya kabere lyoko igorwa which school no nyane chingaki abarimo bariane ne which school secondary babete bago chakumugiro bori tukorie ikoro bagendrete kwemurunganiro gutekerani wa kwamagania bo no muraibe kyama kya ODM Raila Amolo Odinga nigaba gago sioria bene ganga yaye yokorwanire kirogo kibunya kirogo ase kyumbe keria kya AU murobiro bago korekana sinyumba yobra State House na wekiranwa nabara ikorwa se CHINSA au gati abense ya Tanzania egati ye chinde chinyinge chinga kebara yabo bagendrete kuri ira yo chakumusira Raila ase eganga yaye chiragire CHINSA IKOMI chabona mugoroba chinga kingo kwarigania SMS AMAYA eriongo manyimuna naraya na kwariganire asenchera ere yobenge endrago tunyora sensemo ya Facebook wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube tunyora wetra Ndizi TV News na baigase website ito na bagusanga muna ntuwe wetra www.ndizitv.net herio togendre gukumanya buna ngenda twatka kurwa chinsinyo au imesi ya Kenya. Eritrane EVERYNE OSERO uri dokubatrana sensemo imenyererio ni gakoro kwa LYDIAH musena baigo sara mumanyine ro koine kya chibitaniro gicha wikire asenchera bene ukwari antuchaka AMAYA CHINSA IKOMI asenchera iyo bwenge kurwase county ya Kisii awase omwemsi bwegodi ya OSERO Vincent Abuga bireka wesokya na kuyikeria ege kore kyabetege okorekana sensemo ya nyakeyo imeye bunge ya South Mogrango aichinga ki omo women representative we county ya Kisii Doris ya Buridonya abete kawe ikirana erio kwena na obokonyi gochiasa abantu bale no barema anene bali babwate oborema bwamagoro asoko babwatokera chi wheelchair nigatere na omusbati donya na bwenete kwewa amaskani no bigo chinga kinyororo eriabe kago ikirania egasia ye bwikiranu yokoreta magendera se county ya Kisii na bego gokonya bali abatari kwenyarege korekyo niyo yakorekanite chinga ki egatia abantu babete bago turubania asokoreta chiburaburu ase omurubiro yo haboritko ria igoro.
Again, tungeriya penalty yesterday South Mogrango getango geti. I want to say intuna abarai bali tokora abagichikura nega neirito ena na maskana ourselves. Again, tungeriya penalty now that among na donya toto uyoromo women rebu Kisii County. In fact, again, the South Mogrango konya bantu bali bamenyete with disability. Only area is thing baada yo ikororo abantu mbagende to baga disruptive program yomongina eyere tabantu ba disability wheelchair. It was very unfortunate injuno mwishimo OSERO ekerenkuligiria abantu ba disability abantu bakwegera gotema gutama paka abantu batabugatia maguru tagete go sabanga ntuna abasaje bali twakere chikura kurwase county ya Kisii toteme guskabangina because ngonye ndiyo mongina tarengo I want to believe nganonye nayo musaja ganga tori go exist umukungu nero go imukyo oborito for 9 months omenya naye after 9 months you make sure ngoko bonkiri for almost 2 years yogo igatotu aramaskani amanena mo especially sabanga ngonye go gwate interest maybe nekero kyo bo women there is always the right time 2027 is coming igonta yego sabanga abantu baitu wherever mongina donyara go kore function ya yo gokonya abantu ba disability wherever mongina donyara go konya abantu bali batari kwenya tutwara maskani naende toena ne chinga kichingororo chinga kichechi campaign ngoje chira tosabira namaya nande twanja ne twins na bantu ba Kisii County erinde gotokonya bokonya gokiga you never know maybe a position inko boro mambi You will also deserve
Umurai wense gose umurai wekiama kia ODM Raila Amolo Odinga nigo abereka gosiyore bene ganga yaye yokurwanira ikirogo kyobo nyakirogo ase kyombekeria kyobomo bwe CHINSA chia Africa AU umunyigobo go kwarigani wase nyombo y'obura State House ime yo mu Nairobi oyabogo korawa n'umurai wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto mukonyo ya Rigathi Gachagua mu waziri wa mwana ye CHINSA Chesco Musalia Mudavadi n'umuyigobo igobago gwikiranwa n'abarai korwase CHINSA AU gatia umurai wense ya Uganda Yoweri Museveni umurai wense ya Tanzania Samia Suluhu egatia barai bande kurwase CHINSA AU ekyo kire ase orogonko rwa Africa gukwana kinga kecho Raila nigo abakago igerera igoro yogo kya kubwatrana n'abarai kurwase CHINSA cyonsi cya Africa asekerenga kyokoreta amagendero nawe gukinya orogonko rwa Africa so bwagare asatere bunani gago cya kwenekya Africa yabirege gwaka egetambukiro ekenene nawe gubwa matobu ya no murembo bere gokorokana egatie CHINSA.
Excellencies, throughout my leadership and service to the public, I have noted the significance of defining strategic goals and appreciating the influence of political dynamics on the outcomes of these goals. So decision-making must be backed by a balance between policy and geopolitics. I plan to work with you, Your Excellencies, to integrate this continent. You are one people who unfortunately are trying too hard to separate from each other. I have traveled the length and breadth of this beautiful continent, and I have seen the faces of Africa's future. I was involved in peace negotiations in Burundi with Marimu Nyerere. I was involved as the mediator of the AU with the conflict in Côte d'Ivoire. I was involved in Mozambique. So I understand the continent. And I see the faces of our children, full of hope and energy, and unbound by the borders of yesterday. I dream of an Africa where those borders and colonial languages no longer divide us. We don't want to see Africans to be divided as Anglophones, Francophones, Lusophones. I want them to be Africaphones.
Kokona sumunyigo yo nigo mokanyi bumurai wense Rigathi Gachagua abakawate babuna ugo itaberanwa kwa ye Raila negetambukiro kirekia yukibwate kirenga kyogoskia bosio na kogenderia orogonko rwa Africa niga motogia Raila kubwatkana nobo manyi obwo abwata samangana au mona mangana yoborai nabigo ge siasa askeri ate babuna kubwatkana boigo nobo remerere bwaye nigo bwato kwegena abuna nachie kubwatoka obokoreri asokubeka omukia eriokora yasekiro gekyo kyobonya ase ekyombe kyobomo bwe CHINSA chia Africa nigabaga kureira yotana nigo baragendere kumubwatya nakone kyabuna oberega konyora libaga ase kirogekyo.
As a country, as we present the Honorable Raila Odinga to be our candidate, it is because Africa, our motherland, deserves the best. The passion and zeal of the Right Honorable Raila Odinga in Pan-Africanism is well documented. Passion knows no age, knows no limit. In the person of the Right Honorable Raila Odinga, he'll join the ranks of Jomo Kenyatta and Kwame Nkrumah in pushing the agenda for Africa. I therefore want to say, Your Excellency, the lessons of today are that Raila Odinga, the Right Honorable, is a man of great resilience, endurance, and perseverance. Today, you are going to unveil the transformation of the Right Honorable Odinga from a national leader to an African statesman. And for us in leadership, we have learned great lessons of resilience, endurance.
Hastan sema ya yumra wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto ni gobaigabaga otebabne chinechinga ki chinse chichirase orogongorwa Afrika gukina kigima notana nigo barachie kubwatira naso kubeke mirobire mekiranu yokoine kiabuna obwa matobya wabere bokorokana egatie chinsechi asokoreta amagendro egatie miroberio endemenke.
Our Pan-African moment, ladies and gentlemen, must be defined by the transformation of our collective capacity to solve our various crises and turn our potential into engines of sustainable growth and inclusive prosperity for present and future generations. In other words, the time has come for Africa to radically recalibrate its institutions to effectively facilitate growth and development across a broad range of spheres, thereby enlarging the field of possibilities of our nations and also our peoples. To seize this moment, we need an African Union that can coordinate, oversee, and drive important continental agenda in a manner that brings Agenda 2063 onto the fastest delivery track. This will be an AU that is empowered with adequate diplomatic, security, governance, financial, technological, and even ecological leadership, and a management capacity to steer us rapidly beyond the sustainable development goals to Africa that we all want for the benefit of every nation and every African citizen. The feeling that Africa is ripe for this historic moment of radical transformation is shared by all our people and all our friends. Nothing stops us from moving into the necessary gear to claim our destiny, and this is why institutional reforms at the African Union are fundamentally
na bara ibonsi ababa wekirana asayo mbaba bakolia irayo kogendera kumusira raira na kwenekya abuna babere bakubwatrana asogoskia bosio chinse chonsi chire ase orogonko rwa Afrika togotkana nayo tugireria mangana rengete chisemya wasomwaziri wechsemi Julius Migosi abeire ka korwa okobore ochase aborokia abubare asomugiro kwenekya abuna babere bakwirana ase emiremo asarwa irabuna eserekali nerwete nigo yerwete gwikirania amagania yaborokiwa ase chiskuru nigabaganire akoba gosekwa serikali chinga kinyororo ase ogwikirania amagania yo.
I therefore call upon the Union of Post-Primary Education Teachers, KUPPET, to review their stance and to call off their strike. The government has demonstrated goodwill and readiness to address all the issues raised by them. We therefore see no reason for confrontation with that particular union. Ladies and gentlemen, as I mentioned last week, the government disbursed 21.8 billion in capitation for primary, juniors, and secondary schools. This money is now with the schools. We now expect that schools will resume operations smoothly and that learning will proceed without any disruptions. I wish to take this opportunity to call upon school managers to make prudent use of the resources that have been disbursed to them. These are public resources that have been entrusted to you.
Muwaziri wa mwana ye chigosori kipchumba mon kameniga ne kibuna emeroberio kiranu yubogachbegeti ya Atlanta Sport City nigo kegendrete kegima bosiobwa mariganyo ayebiminano bya AFCON go kwana chinga kyakore taro yaye elio korotota egetie kyo nigatebabuna okobwatrana ngochie kobaororo ase gekageire kokorwa ase emyaka ebere asaterena nigo bagendrete kobwatrana nensemo yobore ndibwe aso koinekya una egetie kyongechikoba ase agiyayo kwarigania biminane byo bya AFCON.
This is a very important project as part of the components of the projects we need to deliver on time to ensure that we are ready for to host the Africa Cup of Nations. Again, as I told you earlier, this is a project we are working together with the Ministry of Defense, who are actually the contractors for, the project managers project managers working together with the contractor. And as Ministry of Sports, we are providing financial support, but also we are also providing oversight and standards to make sure that it's within the standards that we have agreed on. So here in this facility, all the stakeholders are here. You know, the contractor, the various government agencies responsible for different issues, and then the two ministries, and all these teams are working together to deliver this facility. We are very happy with the progress. The contractor is supposed to deliver this project within 18 months, which is by end of next year, we should be able to have this facility ready for us to have final certification to host the Africa Cup of Nations. I want to thank the Ministry of Defense for the good work they are doing, and our defense officers, technical officers who are here, together with the Sports Kenya technical officers who are here for a good job they are doing. We have confidence. I know these contractors myself, having worked with them in the transport and road sector, and they do a good job also in that sector. So they have proven themselves before, but we will not leave anything to chance. Oversight will continue, and I believe the work they are doing here is already visibly by what they are doing. It's commendable, but that
Mwancho mulgeri yoroboti oruo bonoru mwaziri wechikosori na rogotereto mwere bwa AMAYA CHINSA 10 senchera ere yobwenge kurinda ya munenda mankento gendrego kwariganiria ayora konyora sobekiranu gikoraga ense mona boigo CHINSA isoto cha mogoroba nere Vincent Onyancha asimono barachi kokwanira boigo higoro yomogiro bwabari mwanene inseye kiombe keria yakupe tikitirita barimu ase chiskuru chechi secondary gobono mwancho mulgeri ngoko ganeria uburgeri burubya chinga kichonsi me Ndizi TV nyora semero nabako ndero tanyora sensemo ya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital, asensemo ya YouTube otanyara wetera Ndizi TV News, nabiga se website yeto wetera www.ndizitv.net erio togendre gusanga asobwa mombia mona sibali mwensi mogendre tego turgereria korwa se chinsinyo au ya nene ime yense ya Kenya nabigo isiko yense haidi triane EVERYNE OSERO oria twabwatira na sensemo imanyerero nigakoro kwa LYDIAH MOSE nabigo Sara Mumanyi narone kiachivi chanelio gicha wikere asentra benen kukoneria uburigere borobya nabigo emagoroba erentoerero